Take care. Your dream's important.
Watching this video, especially if you're a Latino, somebody who speaks Spanish, you're in a Spanish-speaking country, the opportunity for you is going to be unprecedented. It's going to be incredible because let me put this in perspective for you. Okay, I joined Empower Network back in December this last year, about 9 months ago. All right. So and I started with an English-speaking market. When I started, I want you to hear me closely. See, when I started, there was already about 70,000 people in Empower Network, okay? And people were telling me, Vic, you're crazy because this thing is saturated, And I said, I'm gonna test this out, right? And I started with an idea, and because of the system that we have created, see, so far in 9 months, folks, I've earned almost $3 million. Okay. Now, that's not the coolest part. You know what the coolest part is? And when I talk about income, I gotta tell you, my results are not typical. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're gonna earn the same amount of money. Man, you can do 6 million. Maybe you can do zero. It's gonna be up to you, right? But I want to put this in perspective. Okay. So since December up until today, 9 months later, our team has grew to about 20,000 members so far. Okay. Now, what's really, really cool about this, folks, is this has been in English-speaking market only. Okay. So we're basically, if you take a look at Empower Network, they have about 170,000 members currently. My team alone, we have about 20,000 members, okay? Now, how do we do this? Is because number one is a system, number two is a vision for the team, right? And what's behind it. Now, what's really, really cool, folks, is the duplication process. Okay? People who have never earned money before on the internet, now they're earning money, okay? Why is that? Well, because there is a system in place. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because Empower Network is about to open their doors in your country, right? In English, in the Spanish-speaking country for Latinos and Hispanics. What that's gonna do for you, see, if you're smart enough, if you're looking for a way to earn money on the internet, if you're looking for a way to start an online business, and if you start and position yourself right now, right? Because when the doors are open in your country, there's gonna be hundreds of thousands of people who are gonna be joining. And they're gonna join with somebody, right? Is this gonna be you, or they're gonna join with somebody else, right? See, when I got started in this industry, my mentor at the time, I was green. I did not know what I was doing, but I was learning from a guy who was earning about $200,000 a month, and he said, Vic, if you want to be successful, you gotta get around people who are successful, right? And you have to learn how to position yourself and kind of raise yourself above the crowd a little bit, right? That's what I was doing. He is doing something, right? He is, one of the leaders. He's going to be doing something in the Latino market in your country that has never been done before, right? And so, just like when I was getting started in this industry, about 8 years ago, guys, I was smart enough to listen to what my mentor was telling me, and I took action on that advice, right? Same thing I'm gonna tell you right now, right? If you want to build an incredibly successful business, you can do it, but you gotta be smart enough to listen to the leader. We're moving into a phase right now to where the doors are gonna be opening wide open, right? And the best thing you can do for yourself right now is get yourself positioned right now before this massive wave hits your country. Okay? That's pretty much all.